Hi, families. It's Mrs. Truesdale. As you know, if you're watching this, I will be absent this Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. And I'm just showing you what you guys need to do during my absence. So, I am on Launchpad right now. To your child's Launchpad, help them learn how to use their own Launchpad. Go to the book bag. Go to Seesaw. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. You can't see it yet if it's not Wednesday because I'm coming to you from the future. If it is Wednesday, you won't have to do all this. You'll just go to your child's assignments like you usually do. But I want to show you something about the order. So I didn't realize until after the fact that I cannot order these, or I don't know how to order these. So if you want the order to make sense, you're going to have to start from the bottom and go up. We're going to do the calendar first. It's like the normal morning routine. Take your kids through a normal-ish calendar time. Listen to the gingerbread and do a retell. Retell the order of the story. They should be familiar with that from last week. Pocket chart with gingerbread, matching the sight words to the poem and reading the poem from last week. Secret sentence initial sound, matching the beginning sound or initial sound to the picture, and then there will be a secret sentence. CVC words, sounding out each part of the word. Consonant, vowel, consonant is what CVC stands for. More CVC words, and like man. Then we're going to continue the 3D shapes. We're going to sing 3D shape song and have a shape hunt around your house or daycare. And then match the 3D shapes. And then work on our sight word can from last week. And read a can book. So as you can see, it kind of goes in the order of the day. So if they go backwards, you could still do it, but it'll be sort of confusing. Okay. So remember, just go to journal, go to your name, and then the things that I have on there should appear by then. Again, won't be there right now because it's the future. But they will be if you're looking at this on Wednesday. They'll pop up on Wednesday morning about 6 a.m. We are still having afternoon class, so as the email says, your child's still going to go to their reading class as we have been doing. Thank you for your cooperation, and I will see you on Thursday.